এটা কি এটা পুরো নতুন না এটা কি সত্যি কথা বলতে বেস্ট এই জায়গাটা লেগেছে
ডিটেকটিভ এজেন্সি খুলে দে
Hello everyone, this is our first project in Siddha Waterfront Corner. We have just completed this project and obviously this is a budget project and we will discuss about the budget and whatever the design we have implemented in this video thoroughly. The very basic requirements of our clients, they were asking us for a very soothing color combinations. They wanted to have a place like they feel their own home, their own space.
হ্যালো এটা খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে
এই ডিজাইনটা খুব সুন্দর উপরে
আমাকে এটা বেশি ভালো লাগছে এটা খুব সুন্দর
এটা বহুত
ও দিয়ে
গাছের তোমার রুইটার থেকে
খুব সুন্দর দারুণ দারুণ লাগছে দারুণ লাগছে লাইটিং
বসার জায়গায় রাখা যায়
চলো ধরে
আচ্ছা লাইটের মানে লাইট থেকে একটা মানে চলছে হ্যাঁ
যখন যেরকম রিকোয়ার তখন সেরকম।
এমনি শুধু
কেমন লাগছে
শুধু
তোমাদের?
দু একটা যাবে
খুব সুন্দর লাগছে
ভালো লাগছে
তোমাদের কেমন লাগছে মাম্পা বাবু
ভালো
ভেরি
লাইক সব
না লাইট
সব করে
সুন্দর হয়েছে
সব অফ করে দিলে দেখো একটা ওই ব্লু শেড যেটা আছে বাহ
দারুণ
দারুণ এত সুদিং
খুব সোবার
খুব সুন্দর
কিচেনটা বেশ ভালো হয়েছে হ্যান্ডেলস গুলো কি সুন্দর
এখানে
আর চিমনির কালারটা তো খুব ভালো ম্যাচ হয়ে গেছে পুরো ম্যাচ হয়ে গেছে We are very happy today that what we have expected from our interior, they actually made the expectation, and they are very friendly. They
They took care all of our consideration.
Yes.
We are looking for some simplistic design pattern, and Interior Stories just followed our, the designs which we expected, which we desired. And this is our first home, so naturally some sentiments are attached with this particular home. And we are looking for some designs which are very, very simplistic, which are very, very sober in
Innovative
nature
and
and
sober.
innovative. And we just got those things from the interior stories. And not only that, they have also suggested some innovative ideas, some suggestions which were very helpful to us.
Each and everything they have discussed with us.
Each and everything they have discussed with us, and each and everything they have implemented in the same way and within a very aggressive timeline. We had some aggressive
Very
timeline.
few limited time period, only
Yes,
within
yes.
22 to 24 days they have
They
completed.
have completed this. Whenever you are doing some interior decorations, interior design in your home, in your dream home, because homes are homes, sweet homes. So you can look for this guys, interior stories.
Sometimes we dream big, but sometimes the monetary constraints are there.
Yes,
So
yes.
they take care all the constraints, like within our budget we actually fulfill our dreams.
Yes, yes.
So this is a very good thing.
Because before them we were contacted by some other interior interior designer companies, and they were giving us some proposition which is not only costly but also we didn't like it. Why we didn't like it? Because they are some kind of they are giving you some kind of office kind of feeling, right? So that is not your home. Your home is somewhere you can sleep peacefully. You can enjoy when you are at home, and we got exactly that kind, exactly the homely feeling, that kind of feeling we exactly got from this interior space. In continuation to that, you can see this wall. This is the gallery wall, right? So we try to think it in a way that it is a gallery wall. It should be highlighted with a particular light shade. You can see the light shade, right? So over there, and this is suggested by the interior stories. These are the photo frames. These are some fond memories of us. So it is placed in a very good pattern, and this is the thing they have created. So this is
Very innovative.
very innovative and totally indigenously created by them. So these things I like the most in this wall, apart from our fond memories. So that is the thing. In here you can see this wooden shape over here, and this is basically there are lights over there. You can see that, right? This is also a very innovative thing. When you put all the switches off and just this
I
lights
I have not seen it
flashing.
before.
Yes.
This thing.
Yes. So this is a very it gives you a very soothing
The
feeling.
indoor plants, the
And the indoor plants, they have
all
everything they
made
have
by
suggested. This is a small bookshelf kind of thing. This is not taking much space, you can see. This is taking a very concise space and very brief space, but it is also a very eye-catching thing. You can put your books here and you can take out the books and read over here. So this is the thing. This kind of small things, utilizing the spaces as well as utilizing your habit. So that is the thing. Next is I would like to see here. This is the TV. This
TV
is the
unit bulb.
TV unit bulb, and you can see there are some showpieces over here, some mementos over here. So we can put over there. We can also put our music system.
These
here.
designs have
These
done by
designs.
them.
This is a very simplistic but gorgeous design. I must say. There is a space.
We can utilize
We
that
can utilize
space.
this space, right? We can utilize. This is a 3 cabinet thing. This is a drawer.
There are lots of spaces and
Lots
there
of
so that we
spaces
can
over
put
there.
some
So-
extra accessories here.
All over here. So this is the thing, and the most gorgeous part of this room is
Yeah,
this
it is
one.
the most unique thing, that is the accent wall.
This is
I
accent.
didn't have any idea about any wall, that there is the accent wall, which is gallery wall, which is TV unit wall.
Yes, we didn't
But
have any
after
idea about that.
discussing with them, they have told us, they have described so briefly and to the point. We have understood all of these things.
All of
This
these
is very unique thing.
It is a very unique thing. You cannot
And
find
the color
this.
shade is also very good.
Yes.
The color shade is very attractive,
shade
very
also.
light color shade. And Devamita, she is
Yes.
the
She is the mastermind of that.
person behind all of these things. I know her just 10 years almost. And I have seen the YouTube channels of her. So
It was
after
very
watching
innovative, as well as
so much things,
informative.
and I have contacted through WhatsApp Messenger, then everything just takes place. Another thing I want to see, I want to show you that this wall, and when we from the drawing room we can see this wall.
Yes.
And how much it is innovative.
Very much innovative and with a very little,
And
you know.
everything is handmade and everything is done by
Yes.
Devakriti.
Totally handmade. Yes.
And everything is done by her. And
So
we have
that is the
like-
idea, I mean, to make it more attractive with your handmade things.
So here we are a painting. Like this painting, it belongs to, it is very close to my heart as it was gifted by my students. So I just, I told her to where I can put it. So she suggested me this place. So these type of things that and that light, very
Yeah. Because there was no, you know,
no scope of
no
putting so much light
power
in
source
your.
there, but
Yes.
she just puts, implemented this kind of.
Actually,
This is
yeah.
very beautiful. So this is our, first bedroom. So you can see this bulb. First of all, you can see the color, right? This color is very,
We have light, all
We
the
prefer
colors,
light and they have given us-
all the colors
Yes.
of our flats we have discussed, and
everything from printing this photo frame.
see this curtain is also very nice. So
It was also, I think it is also an innovative thing because this kind of, the size of the window, if you see, it is kind of, sorry, it's kind of like this. So this is the idea. And the most gorgeous part in this room, this is,
This is
our temple, our small temple, you can say. So if you, can you just switch off the light, please, here? Yeah. So you can see that this is the most beautiful thing. So only this light is now on. So it looks beautiful. Not only that, here you have some storage spaces. So you can put all these,
So here
Things
she is my
really
mother. She is my mother, and she likes
very
that place
happy
very
to-
much. So she will say something I think.
খুব সুন্দর হয়েছে এই জায়গাটা, পুজো করতে খুব ভালো লাগবে, মানে এরকম আমি দেখিনি, সত্যি কথা বলতে।
This is also an example of utilization of the spaces. This is a folding study table. You can see that it is extended till the wall, right? So that much space is also utilized, as well as it can be folded. So you can get some space over here. You can just put a chair and you can do your study. You can do your work over here. So that is also very good, utilization of the space, right? So here the wardrobe is very big. So we suggested that why not make this last portion of the wardrobe as a bookshelf, because you can see there are lots of spaces over there. So we have many books also. So interior students just implemented that. So we have a bookshelf over here. It's also very nice to see a bookshelf around your, just beside your study table. See, it gives you a good feeling. So that kind of small things they have implemented, and these are very nice. This is a wardrobe with mirror. You can see this is a very big wardrobe. So it is also, the finish. You can see this is very good. So we also like this.
So I hope we have matched your all requirements.
Yes,
and
yes,
expectations.
absolutely. To that, yes. I must say that Interior Studio have, matched all of our requirements, and we are very satisfied with their work. Yeah, these two little big shoes you can see over here, right? Interior Studio suggested this kind of curtain for us. You can also see the color over here. So it's
The most attractive
Yes.
thing of this room is the tree.
yes, this
And this is handmade. Totally
this is painted by Interior Studios.
Painting.
Yes, this is a painting.
And
This is not a sticker.
Devamita has done this painting. It is excellent.
Yes.
So
it's
my
not.
daughter, she is not
She's not believing that it is a drawing, it is painted actually. She is saying that it is printed, but it is totally painted by Devamita.
So you like it? You like it? Yes. Can you believe it? Is it painted or sticker?
It is not a sticker, it is.
There is someone between painting and sticker.
Yes, somebody printed it and started it and then.
And these
And this two squirrels.
these squirrels are.
These are
This is one Ishita and this is one Avantika.
Yes.
And these two birds are also Ishita and Avantika.
Ichida Navani.
So they
So this this is a study table, so it is also, chosen by
So Ishita, do you want to give some feedback about
Ishita?
this room?
How do you feel? Is it good? The room is good?
Very nice.
Very nice? You like the room? Very colorful. Okay. Yeah. It is very colorful
The
actually.
painting is also very beautiful.
Painting is also very beautiful. Nice. These photos over there, so they have made a collage of our children, and we put it over here. So, I mean, all these things, so these are really, really beautiful.
We are very satisfied.
Yes, we strongly
We
recommend.
have suggested some of our friends also to
Yes.
do the interior decorations from them, and they are also just mesmerized after seeing all of these things, and they will surely do the interior from her. So I will also recommend you to do that. আমার কাজটা এত সুন্দর হয়েছে সেটা দেখার পর ওরাও খুব ইন্টারেস্টেড ওর কাছে ইন্টেরিয়র করার জন্য। ও আমার বন্ধু।
আমি ঢুকে ভীষণ ইমপ্রেসড। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার বাজেট ইজ ভেরি লো। আমার বাজেটটা এত কম যে আমি ওকে দেখেই ওকে বলেছিলাম, কথাটা বলেছিলাম ইন্টেরিয়র স্টোরিজের সাথে, এবং দেবপিতা আমাকে লো বাজেটে মানে কতটা সুন্দর করা যায় সেটা আমাকে বুঝিয়ে দিয়েছে। আমি ওকেই কাজটা দিয়েছি, আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে। এত সোবার কাজ, এত ইনোভেটিভ, এত সুন্দর কাজ, আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে।
আর সবচেয়ে বড় কথা সবার রিকোয়ারমেন্টসটাও শুনছে, মানে আমাদের কিরকম চাই সেটা না চাপিয়েও নিজেও
বাজেট একদম লো বাজেটে এত সুন্দর, আর আমার স্পেস খুব কম, সেই কম স্পেসে এত সুন্দর করে এত মানে কাস্টমাইজ করে সব জিনিসও করে দেবে বলেছে, এবং আমাকেও যা লেআউট দেখিয়েছে আমি ভীষণ ইমপ্রেস দেখে, এবং আমি ওকেই কাজটা দিচ্ছি।
ইন্টেরিয়র স্টোরিজের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটা হচ্ছে ইন্টেরিয়র স্টোরিজ। সো আপনারা প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন, লাইক কমেন্ট তো করতেই পারেন, বাট প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব। আর ইনস্টাগ্রামে ওদের ফলো করার জন্য ইন্টেরিয়র স্টোরিজ নামেই ওরা আছে, ইনস্টাগ্রামে ওদের ফলো করুন। আপনারা অনেক নতুন মানে ইন্টেরিয়র ডিজাইন শুরু করার আগেই অনেক নতুন আইডিয়া পেয়ে যাবেন, যেটা আপনারা ওদেরকে বলতে পারেন, ওরা সেটাকে সুন্দরভাবে ইমপ্লিমেন্ট করুন। তাই প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব দ্য চ্যানেল, প্লিজ ফলো
প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব দ্য চ্যানেল অফ ইন্টেরিয়র স্টোরিজ। হ্যাঁ, আমরা সবাই বলছি।
Yes, please subscribe the channel.